Disney Frozen's 2, Fearless by Nature. This book was published by Bendon Publishing Company. Elsa has the power to control snow and ice. She is magical and larger than life. Anna is an optimist. She is always looking on the bright side. Kristoff and Sin are long life friends. They are always ready for a new adventure. Olaf appreciates every moment in life. He always takes time to stop and smell the flowers. They are stronger together. They are all standing with their arms folded and gazing, looking off. The end.